Starting off where we left from our last video, we can see there are too many parts on this tray, or they're not arranged properly so that they can be printed. I'm going to move over here to the arrange icon on the right side and click it, and I'm going to tell it to arrange this tray. As soon as I do that, we can see only 6 parts were left on the tray and the majority of them were taken off. I'll press the Ctrl+Z key in my keyboard to undo that command. I'm just going to zoom in on these parts again. And one more time, I'm going to try to use the arrange here. And I'm going to turn on the optimized checkbox. And then I'll tell it to arrange it again. Again, same problem. So once again, I'll press Ctrl+Z on the keyboard to undo. I'm going to try the auto arrange one more time. I'm going to go back to arrange, and this time I'm going to tell it to arrange the project. And what it's done for me is create 2 trays. I now have 6 yo-yo halves here and 6 yo-yo halves here. And if I wanted to, I could try and fit more of these on here. I think I could fit a few more if I respace these to maximize the number of yo-yos printed on a tray. But for now, I'm going to accept this. And in the next video, we'll play with the settings